If you've ever tried backing up your truck or trailer and felt that wave of anxiety from blind spots you just can't see, then you already know how stressful and even dangerous it can be. I've been there inching backward and hoping I don't tap a curb, a post, or worse. Today, I'm reviewing the AUTO-VOX 7.2 DVR portable solar wireless backup camera, and I'm going to show you how this system completely changed the way I reverse, park, and tow, so make sure you watch until the end. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more honest car accessories reviews, and check the link in the description to find the best deals and discounts on this solar backup camera. Now let's get started with my experience using this solar backup camera. After using the AUTO-VOX 7.2 DVR portable solar wireless backup camera for several weeks on my SUV and trailer, I can honestly say the standout feature is how incredibly easy it was to install. The company promises a 2-minute quick installation, and they're not exaggerating. All I needed was a screwdriver, and I saved what would have easily been a couple $100 on professional installation. The 1080p HD clarity makes a massive difference compared to older backup cameras I've tried, capturing every detail with sharp, vibrant images, and the enhanced night vision genuinely slices through darkness, so I can see clearly even in dim parking lots or at night on the campsite. The powerful dual-antenna digital signal transmission reaches up to 500 feet, which means it works flawlessly even when I'm towing a long trailer, and I experienced zero lag or signal drops. The 7.2-inch large display with its 16.9 golden ratio screen provides a wide viewing angle that eliminates blind spots without blocking my forward view, and the split-screen support for 2 cameras adds another level of visibility that makes maneuvering larger vehicles feel effortless. What really impressed me is the power system, because the high-capacity battery, combined with intelligent solar charging, delivers up to 90 days of use on a single charge. And I love the fact that it saves money and reduces hassle by constantly topping itself off with solar energy. On top of that, the built-in DVR loop recording acts like a 24/7 witness on the road, automatically saving crucial clips in the event of an accident, which gives me peace of mind knowing I have video evidence if I ever need it. The IP69K waterproof certification means it stands up to mud, snow, heavy rain, and blazing sun without skipping a beat. And after driving through some pretty nasty weather, I can confirm it keeps performing like new. What really makes this system stand out to me is how it combines convenience, durability, and advanced features into something that feels truly practical for everyday drivers. It's perfect for anyone with a truck, van, SUV, trailer, or RV who wants a reliable backup camera without complicated wiring or expensive installation. I especially recommend it for RV owners, contractors, and anyone regularly towing, because that 500-foot signal strength and large display make a huge difference with longer vehicles. It doesn't just feel like a camera. It feels like an extra set of eyes that I trust every time I shift into reverse. If I had to mention one shortcoming, it would be that the 7.2-inch monitor might feel slightly large for very small car dashboards, but in my experience, the added visibility is absolutely worth it. Overall, I genuinely feel this backup camera system is a smart investment for safety, convenience, and peace of mind. If you're tired of guessing what's behind you, this could be the upgrade that solves that problem once and for all. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. Leave a comment letting me know what you think about this camera, or if you'd install it on your vehicle, and make sure to check the links in the description to grab the best deals on the AUTO-VOX 7.2 DVR portable solar wireless backup camera.